Unmasking the Culprit, a guide to understanding and using the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, unmask the culprit. This expression is rich in imagery and meaning, and it's a fantastic example of how English can convey complex ideas with just a few words. Whether you're an English language learner or just someone interested in the intricacies of the language, you're in the right place. Let's unmask the secrets behind this phrase together. Unmask the culprit is a phrase that combines two important words, unmask and culprit. To unmask means to reveal the true identity of someone or something, often hidden behind a literal or figurative mask. A culprit refers to a person responsible for a wrongdoing or a crime. So, when we say, unmask the culprit, we're talking about revealing the true identity of someone who has done something wrong. This phrase is commonly used in contexts where the identity of a wrongdoer is unknown and needs to be discovered, such as in mystery novels, crime reports, or discussions about solving a problem. The phrase, unmask the culprit, can be used in various contexts, from literature and movies to everyday conversations. However, its significance can change depending on the situation. In a detective story, it might refer to revealing the murderer. In a corporate setting, it could mean identifying the person behind a data breach. Understanding the context is crucial to grasp the full meaning and implications of the phrase. When using unmask the culprit, it's important to consider the tone and the audience. This phrase carries a sense of drama and seriousness, making it more suitable for formal or semi-formal discussions. Here are a few examples of how to use it correctly. In a business meeting, we need to unmask the culprit behind the recent security lapses. In a classroom discussion, the novel's climax comes when the detective finally unmasks the culprit. In a report or analysis, the study aims to unmask the culprits contributing to environmental degradation. We hope this video has helped you understand and appreciate the depth of the phrase, unmask the culprit. English is a language full of vivid expressions like this one, each offering a window into the culture and thought processes of its speakers. Remember, learning a language is not just about memorizing words and grammar. It's about immersing yourself in the way those words paint pictures and tell stories. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating aspects of the English language together. Happy learning!